In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI Desktop for image to image. Image to image, sometimes called IMG to IMG, lets you start with an existing picture and use it as the visual foundation for a new AI-generated result. That means the uploaded image can guide the layout, colors, and overall structure, while your text prompt tells Leonardo how you want the final image to change. To begin, go to the Leonardo AI app. Once you're on the main interface, click on Image to open the image generation workspace. From there, look toward the top area and click the image icon with the plus symbol. This is where you'll add a reference image for your generation. Next, click on Image Reference. Leonardo will then give you the option to either upload an image from your device or choose one from your previous generations. Pick the option that works best for you, then confirm your image selection so it's added as the source reference. Once your image is in place, move to the prompt box and type in your prompt. This is where you describe what you want Leonardo to create based on your source image. Try to be clear and specific because your prompt and the reference image work together to shape the final result. After that, choose a model. The model affects how the image is interpreted and rendered, so if you're testing different looks, this is an important setting. Then choose a style to help define the artistic direction of the output. Next, set your image dimensions. This controls the aspect ratio and size of the final result, so choose dimensions that fit the kind of image you want to create. Then select the number of generations. This determines how many image variations Leonardo will make in one go. When everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo will process your prompt and reference image and create your new image variations. If needed, you can always adjust the prompt or settings and generate again for a better result.